Stylish toilets of the Buena Vista Rural Club. This one for the ladies, and this one for the gents, and it all goes down into this plumbing here. It's all ready to go, and then the basin, hand basins will go there and over here. Guess what I have got? Running water and plumbing. It goes all the way down there. And guess what I've got over here? A sink, well, a sort of sink. The drain isn't quite right yet, but nor is the water feed, but it's on the wall. Cooker's in place. Floor cemented down, side bits all done, even though it's not quite straight, as you can see. There's a bit of sorting out to do there. Roof's on, doorway's done, that one's still there. Floor's done. Waste is done from here. Sinks in. Water's plumbing. That water's coming straight from the gallery there. So this old sink that came out of my grandfather's house here in Tenerife has got a break in it here. And I bought some Epoxy, which is an epoxy resin. It comes in a pack like this. And there are basically two colours, a grey and a white. There we go. Now on this old sink here, which again came out of the kitchen at my grandfather's house, and it dates back to the 1930s, and I want you to notice how stained it is, etc. So this is a before, and in a little while I'm going to show you an after. This is what I'm going to use to clean it with. They're a sort of pumice stone thing. They're bloody amazing. So this half has been more or less done, whereas this half hasn't. You can see the difference. Let's continue. So there we are. It's sort of done. It really has taken years off it. Visto likes it anyway. So today I'm going to be doing something here in the cooking kitchen. Let me show you. In here there is a rough surface, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be building a bench along there, or a sideboard if you like. But in order for me to do that, I need to collapse this down. I need to cut this down so that it's at the right level, which will be about here. So what I'm trying to do here is get a level, take a level from the string So there we are. We've made a form along here. We've put cement along the top of it, doing it in 2 halves. So this half, and next time we come up, we'll do that half there. So I guess that finishes the day today. I've come up on my own, and we'll get on with the work, and you'll see me in a minute, but it'll be a different day. I've been hard at work here in the kitchens, not cooking. I've been finishing the bench, seat, sideboard, call it what you will. Let me show. Okay, so this is it. And as you can see, those rough stones that were along here are now a smooth sideboard. I've left a stone exposed there in the middle. Try and keep it rustic. Looking at it from here. And then I've also put the first layer of concrete along the back. At least that will give us a firm surface that we can put the cooker on and stuff. And in here, I finished the entrance way here. Visto. What I am surprised at is just how much little tweaking and touches there are to do in making a home out of a ruin. There are lots and lots of little things which need to be attended to, and I guess it's a never-ending task, because you know, all the walls are like that. All the roofs are, you know, falling down or needing to be replaced. And well, I'm just glad I've got some help, eh? From Visto. There's Visto again. He's been off all week. Don't know where he gets to.
Through the fields of our paths, feelings part our ways, keeping us close but estranged now. Dreams holding us closer, meadows of our